Humayd bin Abdul Rahman states that Marwan bin Hakam said to his gatekeeper, O Rafi, go to Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu and inquire of him if it is a ruling that a person will be punished for rejoicing at what he has done and for wishing to be extolled for what he has not done. All of us then will be chastised. Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu thereupon said, What do you have to do with it? This verse was revealed about the people of the book. Then Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu recited these verses. And remember when Allah took a covenant from those who were given the book that you shall necessarily make it known to the people and conceal it not, but they threw it behind their backs and took a mean price in exchange of it. Then how an evil purchasing it is. Never think of those who rejoice at their doings and wish that they may be praised without doing. Never think of such people away from the torment, and for them is the painful torment. Imran's progeny, verse 187 to 188. Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu said, the Prophet ﷺ asked the people of the book about something, but they concealed it and notified him of something else and made their exit, giving the Prophet ﷺ this impression that they told him what he ﷺ had asked them to tell, and wished to be praised for what they had told him, and rejoiced at concealing what the Prophet ﷺ asked them. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 6965.